Hello traders, hope you are all doing great. Last 2 days I was busy with some other personal work, so I couldn't post any video. Anyway, let me tell something very interesting in this video. When I was graduating, no, all my friends took 3 to 4 years to graduate, but for me it took almost 6 to 7 years to graduate, right? I was a backbencher, I was an below average student. In fact, my professor told you are the worst student I have ever had. But you know what? I ended up in a multinational corporation. I was working for a multinational corporation which was listed in NASDAQ, right? And at the peak of my career, I quit my job, and when I came back to India, not a single person, including my family, supported my move. They were not happy at all. You know how working environment is. It is hectic. I don't like I was not into those working ethics. I couldn't grasp what they were trying to do. This corporate politics, all this stuff was very, very kind of embarrassing to me. When I came back to India, nobody supported. When I told them I'm going to trade, I'm going to make trading as my full-time career, nobody supported me. Even my family members, including my father, told I'm going to fail. Even though they told I'm going to fail, I started and I proved they are wrong, right? Why am I saying all this is because last 6 or 7 months it was really very hot for an option seller. What strategy you do or whatever you do, it was likely failing. That was because India VIX was very high, markets were super volatile, and every people used to come and whenever I told I made loss, people used to come and say you are making terrible thing, option selling is not going to work, market trend is changed, you have to change everything, that and this they told, right? Of course I have predicted some things wrong in the market. I predicted directionally, I predicted market would go down, it went up, it's going up, right? That and all is a whole different ball game. What I'm trying to say here is, even though we were wrong in the last 6 months, even though people tried abuse me that I was wrong, option selling was not my bread and butter, we continued fighting back, right? Since April till now, we are in December, right? Last 7 or 8 months it was terrible for option sellers, and you know why. Markets were super volatile, it was moving up and here, and I knew this is not going to be the same scenario. This is not going to continue for a very prolonged time, and today is the day for option sellers, my friend. You see how super the volatility has reduced. As I talk to you, it is below 14. And no matter what strategy you deploy, it is going to work. And the best part is that all that we have learned in this 7 or 8 months, trying to capture the market, trying to capture 15 or 20 or 50 points profit, those skills can be useful now. What you have learned all these months is going to be beneficial now. That is why you have to be you always have to be patient in the market. Don't rush, don't look at the fat profit, and don't jump into conclusions. It is not like what you think. You have to be patient. Most of the people who entered in 2020 coronavirus time, COVID time, 95% of the people left the market. Had they been in the market now, they would have been in profit, right? We are in excellent profit. India VIX is very low. This November month turned out to be an excellent month. We made excellent profit. Option buyers, I don't know how they are making money. I'm sure no option buyer would have made money. Where the market is moving, it is hardly moving 100. I can see banknifty hardly moving 200 or 300 points, right? This is how the markets are, right? If India VIX, this is an option seller market. That's what I'm saying. In the long run, it is always option seller who is going to make money. It is not an option buyer. I have not seen a single person option buyer who has been successful. See, as an option seller, I have sustained in this industry for more than 10 years, almost 10 years, right? Can you tell me an option buyer who is successfully trading in this fraternity for 10 years, a decade, right? So it's always option buyers. Going forward, we don't know how the market might be, but whatever the market might be or however it turns out to be, we will try to fight back and we will try to make some money, right? Bank Nifty hardly moved. 42,000 high was around 42,400, low was around 42,357, 100 points. Then close was around 42,500, hardly 100, 150, maximum 200 points. And look at Nifty, never moves at all. Last, if you see on a day-to-day basis, day-to-day close-to-close basis, Nifty has not at all moved anywhere, right? From where today's low is around today's high is around 18,200 to around 18,251, hardly 50 points it has moved. That is how low VIX environment is, and this is the time for option sellers. I am saying again and again, this is a time for option sellers. We will try to make maximum money in this kind of situation. And open interest, I don't have to talk much about the open interest. Everyone is bullish in the market, and everyone is kind of writing non-directional strategy. That is evident in the open interest itself. 18,300, 18,400, 18,500 till 19,000 they are writing, and 18,200, 18,100, 18,000. So all calls they are writing, all puts they are writing, right? That is the advantage of non-directional low VIX market. You do any strategy, it is going to work in your favor. Bank Nifty also, people are writing 42,500 short straddle. Equivalently, PCR. See, if you see the PCR is 1:1, that is equal. So both calls and puts are in equal quantity. So this is how markets are working. So markets are going to continue like this, but till when, we really don't know, right? I think 24th of this month we have a FOMC minutes meeting which is coming up. Till then market may not move much, and even if it there is not going to be any big negative news. Everything is being factored into. I think the bad time is over. It is good for market participants now, particularly option sellers. And US market will be closed on Thursday and Friday because of, I think, Thanksgiving. Apart from that, on when the US market is closed, we have FOMC minutes at 12 a.m. on 24th Thursday. I am talking about India time. So maybe there will be some knee-jerk reaction or some jargons, but apart from that, I don't see any bad news or negative news. Russia-Ukraine issue is old issue. Everyone has forgot that one. China-Taiwan is no more. COVID and all is gone. So it is back to normal now, right? So that's how I see this. I predict the market, right? So bad things are over. I'm not saying macroeconomic wise, I'm saying bad things are over. Market is a whole different ball game. Whether it is going to go up or whether it is going to go down, we really don't know, right? So this is the conclusion I have. Do a non-directional strategies or any strategies which maybe you can do a straddle, strangles. Of course, premiums are very, very low. I'm not denying. I'm not saying no. Premiums are very, very low. If the premiums are very, very low, means there is a reason for that. Markets are likely to be range bound going forward. Any non-directional strategies, straddle, strangle, ratio spread, or butterfly, calendar strategies. Calendar strategy don't take in low VIX environment. You have to take it in a high VIX environment. Some other non-directional strategies you can take. You are going to make money. Not only we are making money, even people who follow us on mentorship program had made excellent money, right? So never give up, stay confident, and I'll see you in another video tomorrow. Until then, take care. Bye.